Sa di inaasahang pagkakataon ay may panibagong adventure na naman tayong matutuklasan. Secret Falls. Ito ay matatagpuan sa Doña Remedios Trinidad sa probinsya ng Bulacan. Ngayong araw nga ay nasa norteng parte tayo ng Pilipinas para sa bagong yugto ng ating pag-a-adventure. So ayun na nga ay bumiyahe na nga kami mula Santa Maria, Bulacan papuntang Doña Remedios Trinidad. Kasama ko pala dito yung kapatid ko tsaka yung pamilya niya. Siguro na sa mga 2 oras din ang aming binyahe bago kami makarating sa ilog na spot na aming pupuntahan.
Whispers of force softly flow. Dew on the meadow starts to gleam. Sunlight on leaves begins to glow. Threads of the morning gently stream.
Aray! Aray!
Sa mga oras na to ay papasok na nga kami sa ilog. Iniwan na lang namin yung sasakyan at naglakad na lang kami dito. May mga tubig pa kasi na parte na madadaanan kaya mas pinabuti na lang na iwan ito. At oo nga pala, first time ko palang makakaligo sa ilog nila dito kaya na-excite na akong ma-experience to.
So guys, yata karon sa BRT Bulacan. So pasod na mi diri. Tara silang kauban. Kung igsuon og yang pamilya. Ug barkada.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
So papunta na kami dito sa pinaka-spot ng ilog. Yung mismo nililiguan talaga na ilog na malalim-lalim ay nasa unahan pa.
Swimming, si Yara.
Ganda naman yung kalbabida mo.
Tara guys, oh. Lubog man. Lubog siya. Lubog siya.
Malabo na.
Tapos babaw ko na. Kuha ita babaw. Okay, babaw ni. Ay, tara guys.
So ayun na nga, medyo bad timing lang talaga ang pagpunta natin dito. Medyo malabo yung tubig dahil siguro ay kakabaha lang ng ilog na to.
Mo din ay ibabaw di ay. Bad to guys, oh. Layo. So takibawasan na pa dong na. Kaya first time na to ari. Medyo lubog naman si Jackie. Gikan sa rin kabaha ba? Anang lubog-lubog si Jackie. Habog po tayo. Pwede ka mambak ari ba? Oh. Hindot ari magcamping ba? Ano na patag ko. Ito. Camping, hamok. Ano dire magcamping, hamok. Oh, shout out Julius. Yus, apa sari? Dapat nakadari ron. Pato. Lakaw. Ito i-try ato lakaw na to. So, ato i-explore ato. Unsay na ato. So, let's go. So, mura ra pug nata sa kuan. Mura ra pug nata sa Bohol. Oh, awa. Hindot ta sa Dario. Try na to explore ito nahan. O basig na pa inindot nga pwede kaliguan ba.
So ayun na nga ay nag-explore ako dito at naghanap ako ng spot na pwede nating masolo.
Wow.
I've been doing this since I was young, working hard for what ain't much. Some days I win, some days I lose. Hands still hurt, bills still due. Married life and a worn out truck. Learned real fast how to stretch a buck. I don't dream big, I just get through. Hands still hurt, bills still do. Hands still hurt, bills still do. That's the truth, plain as blue. I don't ask why, I
Nalubog ko rin
don't refuse. I do what a working man's gotta do. Payday comes and it slips away, like it always has, like it always stays. I've seen worse times than I'm going through. Hands still hurt, bills still do. Daddy said, son, hold your name. It's worth more than the money you make. So I held mine like he told me to. Hands still hurt, bills still do. Last night
Tamak naman na.
boy tried on
Kuan
my
magud.
coat.
Anong napukon ba?
Said someday I'll be strong like
Tamak
you.
naman na. Lubog yun na.
That's when I knew what all this proves.
So balik na ta.
Hands still hurt, bills still do. Hands still hurt, bills still do. But now I know what I'm going through. It ain't for me, it's for him too. I do what a working man's gotta do.
Ay,
Yeah, I do
Arita,
what a
likod
working
ka na.
man's gotta do.
natamaligotan ako. Okay. Malikot na rin kayo. Pero biglang na. Paparefresh ba? Let's go. Julius, come on. Tara. Julius, come on. Apas. Julius, Apas. Julius, shout out, Apas. So, diri ta, ligo tari. Let's go.
So dito nga ay may nahanap tayong spot na pwede nating pagliguan habang yung mga kasama ko sa baba ay nag-e-enjoy na sa kanilang pagliligo. At dahil solong-solo natin yung spot ay tara, susulitin na natin ang mga natitirang oras.
I'm an expert at overthinking things that I shouldn't. You come across as a cool guy, someone is the opposite. And all my friends are leaving, but I wanna stay here. Can we just stay here? Maybe just one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, all lonely nights. You were always there at the same damn bar. I just never looked your way. And I've seen every ocean, but I've never seen a color blue. Look into your eyes. Blue. When I'm nervous, I talk too much and overshare things. Yeah, I can be a fucking mess, but you somehow like me for me. And all your friends are wasted. You wanna stay here? Oh, we should just stay here. Maybe just for one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, all lonely nights. You were always
So, hi guys. So, diri na taman ng video. So, thank you for watching sa atong adventure. So, bye-bye. Let's go.
They say,
Are you ready? I know the city getting ready for me. I know the city getting
Sunset
ready.
in the morning, we on a ride, and I'm feeling smooth as the way the bitch drive. Turn the radio down if they playing that bullshit. They don't want black people to think it's drive.
He think he live, he think he cold. He think I'm high, I'm in thinker mode.